Today I'm going to show you guys how you can set up your cookies banner on your website for visitors to agree to your cookies, privacy, and terms and conditions, and etc. What's up, you guys? Thanks for tuning in with your boy Nino, and I got a tutorial for you guys today on how you can set up your cookies banner. Okay, this is really a big game changer. WIX just offered this to your whole entire site. So basically you can scrap all the stuff away about using light boxes to actually show your privacy terms and have them agree to it. Okay, now they can control this information that they will give out. So I just want to go ahead and get started and actually show you guys where it is. Okay, but I just want to give you guys a heads up. This is because of the GDPR, which is the General Data Protection Regulation that the European Union has brought out about your site, and data privacy regulations. And there's a few more that are like California Consumer Privacy Act and all of these other different ones that are actually coming about in this new age, in this data age. Okay, and so we want to show our visitors that we are sharing this data and we have privacy and terms and conditions that relate to those cookies on your website. So if you want to actually display a banner that's very generic, very neat and common, you should definitely head on over to the settings, okay, so that you can create that within your dashboard. All right, so let's get started. We're gonna go down here to settings, and if your settings doesn't look like mine, it's actually generally the same thing. You would just have to scroll down actually until you get to your privacy and cookies regulation. All right, so we're gonna come down here to this advanced section and we're gonna come over to privacy and cookies. Okay, so you click on that and you'll see that this is where you can manage your site's cookie consent, privacy policy, and more things that you want to add to it. All right, so today we're gonna go over the cookie consent banner. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. As you can see, the cookie consent banner will show visitors able to accept or disable the use of your cookies on your site. So as we get started, this is actually going to save and publish for your site. So basically what it's doing is it's going to apply this to your site. Now don't worry, if you do save and publish, it will not publish your actual website. If it does, please contact WIX. But as you can see, you can just toggle on this button to display. As you can see, you have your text display settings, which I like to keep it a light color, but I think they're going to give you more customization later down the road. But as of right now, it's just a custom light or dark option. Okay, then you can actually display however you want for the text. As you can see, they have different types of character counts. So they're definitely limiting you on how many words you put into your buttons, okay, and also into the link text. So I'm just going to keep this all standard. All of this stuff comes standard with your WIX website, so you don't actually have to worry about actually making a privacy policy or stuff like that, because they give you resources here so that you can come up with your own, or you can just use the basics. So as you can see here, this is the base literature that you would see for your cookie banner. Okay, and this will inform your visitors about what the cookies on your site do. Okay, what do they collect and everything. So that would be this area right here. And then also you have your place where you can put a connection to your page on your site or to an external web address, okay, for your privacy policy. So this is very useful and very helpful tool. So I could go into my blog tut and I could put it to the maintenance place. I mean, just like I did last week with the maintenance, like that could be where it goes, so that, you know, say for instance you're doing maintenance on your website and you want to make sure that nothing goes to the specific, website. Okay, you want everything to stay on that maintenance page. You don't want people going around and checking other things. So what you could do here in the interim is actually come down here, click maintenance, so that everything goes to your maintenance page. Okay, but as of right now, if you have a privacy policy page, I advise you guys to make one. It definitely helps out with your visitors understanding what you got going on for your site. But if you don't have that and you want to do it to an external web address, make sure you put that web address right here in this element box, text box. For now, I'm just going to keep it page on my site, and I'm just going to connect it to my maintenance page. All right, just like I did last week. And as you can see, they're showing here that you reviewed your cookie policy requirements. Okay, so that means that you have read all of this literature here about the third-party apps and the custom code and the social features and all of that stuff. Okay, if you want to learn more about what they're talking about, just click here, learn more, and it will show you a lot of stuff in the WIX Help Center that will actually help you and guide you to what that really means, and then also to help and guide you along the way to actually create this cookie policy. So as you can see, I've already read all of that and I've understood the above. As you can see, there's advanced options here, so we can click on this button, and as you can see, we can customize our cookie category text. Okay, so we can click this down button, and as you can see, this will be the light box that comes up that talks about all of the cookies and external cookies, other cookie categories that I can't remember right now, like your marketing cookies, your functionality cookies, and your analytical cookies. Okay, they have the ability to actually toggle those buttons on and off. Okay, now as you can see, we can change the save button text. Okay, so that will be like right here on this diagram. And then also, these are the cookie consent categories, okay, that you can toggle those buttons on and off. All right, I'll show you an example in a few minutes. So as you can see here, you have your marketing cookies, your essential cookies, functional, and then also your analytics. Okay, essential cookies are staying basically the same. Okay, you don't have an option to change this, but you have an option to change the paragraph text. Okay, and then also your marketing cookies, you can actually change the headline if you would like, or even the paragraph. That's like the default text, and it really suits my website very well. As you can see, the functional cookies category is here with the default text, and then also your analytics. Okay, now if you want to actually restore and renew the visitor's consent, all you have to do is just click this renew consent. All right, this will actually change everybody's consent. So basically, next time that they come onto the website, they're gonna have to go through this cookie process again, because you have already updated your essential cookies, and I don't think that would be a problem for them. Really, I would love to know what you guys are doing with my data and actually see if I accept it or do I decline it. Okay, but as you can see, that is all for these advanced options. Now, if you go back, you can see that you make sure you have everything here. As you can see, I have read and understood above all of these requirements, and I did my advanced options. So now I want to just go ahead and save and publish. Awesome. So now all I have to do is go to my live site. And as you can see, my live site is up, and also my cookie settings are right here. Okay, I can click accept here. I can actually close this box, and I can actually sit here and read everything here. And also you can see that my privacy policy is going somewhere. Now, if we want to go ahead and look at the cookie settings, as you can see, we have essential cookies automatically being there. Okay, so this is automatically the cookies that WIX has that actually puts it onto the cache in your back of your web browser. Okay, or onto your computer. And then here are the marketing cookies. If you want to enable that, you can enable that, and you can just pick and choose each one. Okay, your visitors have the options, but not for the essential cookies. But if they do not want to do any of that, they can go ahead and click this X button, and they can click this X button right here as well. So it will not actually get anything else but those essential cookies. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a quick tutorial just to go over like the new cookie policies that WIX has to offer. It's very cool and definitely good for beginners. Like if you're just trying to put up your site real quick, you can easily do that, and also easily put your cookie privacy policy there so that people will know exactly what they're getting themselves into when they land on your site. Okay, definitely give it a shot, and if you have any questions, drop it below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys, and if you like this video, hit that like button, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you in the next video, guys. All right, ciao.